Hey class, this is Miss Libby. I made this video to take you through an assignment where you'll attach various files to your Google Classroom assignments before you turn them in. So follow along with me and pause this video whenever you need to, okay? So first, when you log into your classroom, this year it's Junior High Computer Apps Fall 2024. I'll probably use this in future years, so there'll probably be a new date here. But you'll see a stream, classwork, and people. So on the stream is going to be anything new right now, but if you go to the classwork tab, you'll see anything that you have to do, and if it's still due, it's going to be like in blue. Otherwise, if it's already done, you'll see it in gray, okay? And then, of course, a list of the people in the class, but for right now, it's just me, your teacher. All right, so we're going to go to this first assignment, Computer Applications Overview. That's what we're doing today. So you'll need to attach a Google Doc, a Google Sheet, Google Slides, a Microsoft Word, and a Microsoft Excel. So the first thing we're going to do is add or create a Google Doc. Okay, here it is. And just so you know, I'm using the dummy student account. This will say your name instead of dummy student, okay? So on your Google Doc, this is important. I want you to write just one sentence about something memorable from your summer. So, I enjoyed working at the swimming pool. Yours should be different from mine, okay? So now that I've done that, on Google Docs, I can just click Turn In, but if I do that, my whole assignment will be turned in. So I don't want to do that because it's not all done yet, right? We still need to add a Google Sheet. So then you still have this Google Doc up here, but we'll go ahead and click Add or Create a Google Sheet. It takes it just a minute to do that sometimes, and that's okay. And remember, if you need to pause the video while yours loads, that's okay too. All right, so here's our Google Sheet. Notice the little green emblem this time. In your Google Sheet today, I want you to do this for me. A, B, enter, C, enter, D, enter, F. So A's are from 90-100. B's are from 80 to 89%, right? C's are from 70 to 79. Enter takes you down. D's are from 60 to 69%. And F's are anything from 0 to 59. You've done your first little grade table in Sheets. That's all I wanted you to do for today. Very simple on the Google Sheets. If it takes you a little longer, pause until you finish it. When you're done with it, you can exit out of this tab and go back to your Computer Applications Overview. Okay? What else did I say we needed? A Google Slides. Add or create a Google Slides, the yellow one. Here it comes. This time in title, just type in Google Slides by, and here's where you put your name. Today I am dummy student, but you'll put your name here, okay? That's all you need to do on your Google Slides. Now look, when we exit out of it, we have docs, we have sheets, and we have slides attached, right? But what else did I say you needed to have? Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel, and these ones are different. Okay, so what you're going to do is open up a new Microsoft Word. In order to do that, you'll need to, I'm going to just shift this down for a second so you can see, go to your little window at the bottom of your screen, and then if you see Word, you can click on it. If you don't see it, you can start typing it in, and then it will come up. Okay, so you click on that, and it pops up like this. So click on a blank document, and then I want you to type something that I hope to learn about this year is, and then I want you to just write one thing. So for me, I'm going to say something that I hope to learn about is the career choices that my students are excited about right now. Okay, that's something I hope to learn. Maybe something that you hope to learn is how to make a cool table in Sheets, or maybe you hope to learn something in algebra class this year, or you want to learn about a particular country in geography. I don't know. That's something you get to say, something you hope to learn about this year, okay? Once you're done, Word doesn't save by itself, so you have to go up to File, Save As, and I'm just going to save this in my documents, and we are going to call it something to learn, okay, and then click Save. Remember, pause if you needed to. All right, there is that document. It exists now. So when you want to add it to this assignment, you have to go to Add or Create. This time we're going to go to File, okay, and Upload, Browse, go to Documents, because that's where we saved it, and there it is, something to learn. You click Open, and now it's going to be attached in our Word file. And these little gray lines tell you what you've got, what type of file it is. All right, one to go. Microsoft Excel. So now, similar to Word, you're going to come down here to your window, and you're going to click on Excel if it shows, or you're going to type in EXC until Excel comes up. And this is going to look an awful lot like your Google Sheet does, but this is the Microsoft version, and it's just a little bit different, and in my opinion, it's a little bit better in many ways, but Google Sheets is catching up. All right, so in this one, I want you to type in numbers. So it'll just be 1, 2, 3 in the first 3 cells, okay? Then I want you to click and hold that click to drag through those 3 cells, then let go. And then over in the corner, when your mouse turns into this little plus sign, I want you to click and drag down all the way to the number 20. Let go. That's called auto numbering. So I didn't have to type them all in. I just typed the first 3 and then allowed Excel to see the trend, right? So when you turn this in, we're going to save it first as File, Save As, Documents, and we're going to call it Auto Numbering. Save. Now when we go to our Computer Applications Overview, Add or Create a file, Upload, Browse, Auto Numbering. Okay, there it is. And you can upload other types of files too. They can be audio files or PDFs or any number of things, but these are the ones I wanted you to do for class today. So we have Docs, Sheets, Slides, Word, Excel. Docs, Sheets, Slides, Word, Excel. we open them all and we have them all saved here, and they are ready to turn in. So once you're ready to turn in your assignment, you click this button down here, turn it in. And then it'll say, turn in your work. It'll show you those. Yep, we're going to turn it in. And now it shows as submitted. Okay, so I have it on my end to grade. It'll show that you've turned it in. So now when you look at your classwork tab, remember how it was blue before? It's going to be gray now because you're finished with it. So if you've gotten to that point, good job. And until next time, have a fabulous day.